Hello guys, I'm back. And today ituloy natin yung na-upload nating tutorial last time. So this is applicable for Lotto or Keno agents of PCSO. Okay, so let's start. Open nyo lang yung Microsoft Edge nyo. Pwede rin yung gamitin tong Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox. So let's go. Punta kayo sa landbank.com. So www.landbank.com. Okay. And after arriving sa homepage ng Landbank, scroll down lang kayo. May kita nyo tong Explore Our Services. Dito tayo sa Link.BizPortal. So dito tayo pwedeng mag-remit or deposit ng ating Lotto and Keno sales. Click here. So napunta tayo sa another tab, Pay Now. I-click nyo lang tong Pay Now. And then select merchant. Type nyo na agad, punta na kayo sa letter P. Pwede rin kayong mag-type dito, Philippine Charity Sweepstakes Office, pero punta na lang kayo sa letter P, scroll down. Usually nandito yun, ayan, Philippine Charity Sweepstakes Office, Isabela Branch. Tap nyo yan, click continue, and then dito tayo sa transaction type, select transaction type. So pwede tayo magbayad dito ng Lotto remittances, Keno remittances, and pwede ring small town lottery remittances. So for purposes of this tutorial, dito tayo sa Lotto remittances. Payment option, pwede tayong gumamit ng Landbank ATM or savings account, Landbank prepaid card, AUB via banknet, BPI, DBP, and marami pang iba. So itong Landbank ang pinakamura ang service charge. It's only gonna be 10 pesos per service na gagamitin natin dito. Ito namang AUB and other banknets, they charge 20 pesos per transaction. So sa Landbank tayo. So for you to use this e-payment portal of Landbank, kailangan may laman yung ATM nyo and dapat enrolled kayo. Yung savings account nyo enrolled sa iAccess. So another separate con na lang yan. Tutorial paano mag-enroll sa iAccess. Online, pwede naman ng online yan. So dito tayo sa Landbank account. I-type nyo lang yung savings account number nyo. And then amount, kung magkano yung babayaran nyo. Enter date. Date ngayon, 17. Agency number, ito yung agency number ng Lotto agent or Keno agent. So sa Isabela, nag-i-start to sa 43. For Quirino Province, nag-i-start naman yung sa 45. So nationwide tong e-payment portal, pwede nyong gamitin to as long as you're a Lotto or Keno agent. So 43, yan ang sa atin. Agency name, yung Lotto agent or Keno agent yan. Account number, ito yung account number ng PCSO kung saan nyo i-deposit. So tandaan nyo account number nyo to sa taas, and then dito sa account number ulit, account number ng PCSO. Okay, so meron tayong legends, ito yung CAPTCHA, kailangan nyo itong i-type para mag-proceed tayo sa ating transaction. So this is case sensitive, gayahin nyo lang mismo. So 8BTER8, yan. Madadirect ulit tayo sa transaction details. Ayan. So make sure na yung amount ng transaction nyo is enough para sa laman ng savings account nyo. So dapat may laman din yung ATM nyo or savings account nyo ng 5,000, more than 5,120. So yan yung sinasabi ko, transaction fee is 10 pesos. So for banknet, 20 pesos po yan. Okay? So make sure all the details are correct. Okay, and then I certify that I am at least 18 years old. May magte-text sa inyo ng one-time password sa cellphone. In-enroll nyo sa iAccess. So dapat talaga enroll ka muna sa iAccess bago mo magamit tong e-payment portal. Okay? So, the one-time password is case sensitive also. So, dapat gayahin mo siya ng as is. And then, tap your 4-digit ATM password. So, click submit. Click OK pag okay na lahat. And then, that's it. Payment confirmation. Tapos na. So, ano bang benefits nitong epayment portal? You'll save time. Hindi mo na kailangan pumila sa Landbank. And 10 pesos lang yung transaction fee. As compared to pag magta-tricycle ka pa papuntang Landbank, so it will cost you 20 papunta, 20 pabalik. So, it's so convenient para gamitin tong epayment portal. Plus, not to mention you are limiting your risk of exposure sa ating COVID-19. Ay, siya nga pala. Itong payment confirmation, print nyo to. This payment confirmation will serve as a proof of your remittance. So, ang importante lang naman dito is itong transaction reference number. Ang maganda pa dito sa e-payment portal confirmation receipt, hindi mo na kailangang i-duplicate to. So, just print this in 1 or 2 copy. Tapos, yung isa sa'yo, yung isa sa amin, okay na yun. So, that's already a proof of your remittance. Kasama to sa weekly report ninyo. Okay guys, I hope you learned something about this tutorial. Natuloy din. Have a great day. Goodbye.